All right, Staten Island during Hurricane Irene. Tree down, possible tornado. There's trees down all over the place. I know we're nuts. Power's out. We're driving. The wind is pretty heavy hitting the side of the car.
Stuff hitting the car.
Stuff hitting the top of the car.
Oh, we got power up there.
Well, there's power ahead, but it's blotchy through the neighborhoods, Weather Channel.
Weather Channel?
I'm going to upload it for them. People need to know. Do you think I have to stop for lights? My luck, I get pulled over with the hurricane.
How do you video?